What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're all having a great day. So, I certainly am, because my most viewed video is now my Minecraft public toilet tutorial, and it's doing great for views. I said that if it hit 10 likes I would tour this tower here, but you know what, it's been so well received in terms of views that I'm going to do it anyway, so let's get started. Alright, Halloween theme. There's a pumpkin. Alright, so there's the obligatory pumpkin, so you can't argue that I didn't do any Halloween theme, because it is Halloween. So you've got a sign on the outside there saying the construction date, 26th of September 2020. So there's a welcome sign there. Welcome, please sign in, with a computer. And obviously it's actually an anvil, but just use your imagination. You should be able to tell why it looks like a computer. And you have the town library here, because I couldn't really figure out what I should do with the rest of the lobby area, so I decided it needs a library in the town, and I'll start off with this. So this is what the library looks like inside. It's just these rows of bookshelves, so we'll go inside one of the rows and then, yeah, we'll just then move on from there. So this is what they all look like, these aisles. Once you've seen one, you've seen them all. Okay, so here we have the basement. So it takes a bit of force to get past the trapdoor and downstairs, but I just threw in whatever I could find in my inventory that looked weird and quirky. So this is what the basement looks like. So it has got a few pumpkins, of course, shroom lights for the ceiling, and stone blocks for the walls and ceiling. And there's also a spinning saw in the corner. I don't know if you saw that then, but there was. Of course, there's a door to nowhere, because you always need one of those in a basement. But that's about it for the downstairs. So we're going to move on upstairs now. So for the stairs, I've decided to do white tiles, a bit like, well, it's exactly like downstairs, but I haven't done white tiles for the office spaces of the office floors, I guess. I've done grey carpet because most offices do have carpet, and I think it fits better since these are offices. People work long days in them, so it's better to have like warm lighting, such as the glowstone lighting with carpet, rather than the white light of a sea lantern shining onto a white floor. Particularly with the choice of desks that I've designed. So it's made with oak wood, of course, and a bookshelf, so it's quite a rustic feel, I guess. Not exactly rustic, but it's sort of autumnal rustic feel. I don't know if that really makes sense. And of course there's a bin there for all you Americans that don't know what I mean by that. That's a garbage can. And it's also a music player if you have a CD to put in there. Not a literal physical CD, just an in-game CD. Now, you have to kind of stretch your imagination with the computers, because they're obviously anvils. You can tell they're not designed to look like computers, but that's the beauty of Minecraft, is that you can use your imagination, and you have to be creative to make these things, because there's no chairs or desks or computers readily designed. You have to invent that yourself. Well, that's that floor done. So these floors are pretty much the same as each other every time, so I'm just going to very quickly go over the next floors. Well, it's the same design again on this floor, so it's actually quite a realistic office feel, I reckon. There are a lot of offices like this dotted around the UK. Maybe they look different in America, but this is how quite a lot of offices look, is that grey carpet feel with warm lighting. At least older offices anyway. They seem to be shifting towards the more American bright white walls, bright white lights, and like dark grey carpet feel in Britain, but this is what traditional British offices used to look like. Now this is the top floor. Relatively similar design, but I've obviously had to rejig the seating arrangement with the desks because it's got a toilet here, because it's obligatory in the UK that every building has at least one toilet facility in it, so I've tried to keep that in this. So this is the toilet. It's got a granite design, so you've got the toilet there and a paper towel holder and of course a sink. You need a sink, so I guess there'd be a blind there. Obviously that's not available, but there would be, since it is a toilet and privacy is needed. So this is the final floor. It isn't an office this time. Now if you looked out of the window a few seconds ago and looked into the distance, you might have seen some lights. That would be my first house that I ever built in this world of Minecraft. So this is the cafe. It's probably my favourite bit of the building. It's quite a modern feel to it, with these modern tables. These are actually scaffolding pieces, and just the colour scheme, like that pale beige whitish cream colour, I suppose. It's the design of restaurant you see in a lot of IKEAs nowadays. Maybe it's just a Britain thing, but maybe that's how IKEAs are in America, I don't know. And the kitchen here, got 2 ovens, and then a sink, of course. Every single kitchen has to have a sink. It's just basic kitchen appliances. There's a pizza oven too, and that's just a big countertop that is for cutting up vegetables and food, I guess. 2 more pizza ovens. Then this hatch along here, that would be where the till would be, and probably where the waiters would be to pick up your orders there, since it's a grab and go restaurant. I suppose the food's cooked pretty quickly, you don't have to wait at your table for ages. Well, that's the inside of the kitchen, so I guess that's it for this building. So it did take a while to build, because I've never really attempted anything quite like this in Minecraft before. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like on the video. Make sure to subscribe, I would really appreciate that. And turn on your notifications to make sure you stay tuned for any more videos. And I will see you next time. Hopefully that will be a normal Lego video next time. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye!